Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today I am doing a collab with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly. We're doing a back to school fashion show, and we would like for you to choose one outfit out of the 4 channels as your favorite. On the channel you choose it from, write in the comments which outfit is your favorite. Why do I look a fright if it's a fashion show? Well, that's another story. Injuries, I still can't brush my own hair, but I'm getting better. So I did 3 dresses. The collab was 1 to 3 outfits. I have named my shop Flash. Flashback, Flash Cube, and Newsflash. Now I'm up against J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Tammy Polly. So how was I going to make my outfits stand out more, grab a vote or two? Well, you know how fashion shows are kind of outrageous and they always send out an outfit or two that you're like, no one would ever buy that. But what outfit do you talk about after the fashion show? The crazy one. You know, the bra that has all the jewels on it with the big wings behind it. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. That was the one everyone talked about, and that kept their name going. So I made this my little flashback outfit a couple of months ago, and I'm going to tell on myself, I actually made this for someone else. It's all right. I made this for someone else for a Happy Meal, and when I finished it, I thought, oh gosh, I have an idea. This could be the Flash shop. And so that's flashback, because it's kind of 1972 when the original Blythes came out. And the print in that, when I saw that print, I had to have it. And then this one, you're gonna love. This is Flash Cube. And her story is, she is a plain Jane. I didn't even change her eyelashes so she would look more plain. But her friends are very vain, very vain. So what they do is when they're getting ready for their selfies, they make sure that she is well lit, and then they can see the reflections in her outfit. They want her to have a bigger hat, and sometimes they tell her, oh, your hat looks so much better on the side, because they can see their makeup to see how it looks. Yeah, some girls really are like that. And then, if that's not outrageous enough, we have Newsflash. Anybody watching the news today? Oh, well, you can't really see the back. You will in a minute. The news today is, I'm not even going to go into that, but that's pretty much where we are. Before I show you where I'm going with this, let me show you this toilet. To start off with, I wanted this fabric for my Flash fashion show, because I was going to go with the flashback and the Flash Cube, although I hadn't developed the story about her yet, nor had I developed this story. All I was going to do was a newsprint. Actually, I was going to do a newsprint hat, and I used that in another video, and I thought, oh, I have an idea. So here she is. Anyway, so I needed a toilet. A toilet? Yes, a toilet. So I was going to go to Dollar Tree. Actually, we did, because they had some Barbie doll-sized toilets a while ago. I thought, oh, I need one of those. Darren's like, really? I'm like, yeah, I really do. They didn't have them. He's like, I can print you one. Look at this. I've never seen, it's got so much detail. It's incredible. That is your actual piece that would hook to the floor. Look at this. It's got It's got the little, what do we call that, drain, the toilet seat, the toilet lid, the toilet tank with removable. This is kind of loose. I can't remember. What did you say?
It needs to be glued.
Oh, okay. Well, it needs to be glued, but it's not. But there it is. So that's our toilet. So today's news, i.e. newspaper, has us all thinking about what can happen next. Remember when the virus first started and the weirdest thing missing in the stores was toilet paper? What are two things that you could use in the bathroom for toilet paper? Well, there's a whole list of things, but newspaper, because people used to do that, and Sears catalogs, which that's what people did with their catalogs. They had an outhouse, they would use it as a wish book for Christmas, and out to the outhouse it would go. They would read it while they sat and wipe their tushes with it. So if things get much worse, we're all going to need very functional clothing, thus the hat. People had hats like these because the bonnets were very functional. In the winter, they kept you warm. In the summer, you put your hair up in it to keep your back in that cooler. But look what we have done here. If he had a hat like this, not only would he have something to read, I have made this so functional. Ever get into a booth and not have any toilet paper? Well, there you go. If you stayed with me to the end after that, thank you. Please vote. Go have a look at everyone's videos, J Doll UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly. We'll have a link below to their channels. You're going to see some fantastic outfits, I promise you. Please vote. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, a comment, and go ahead and subscribe. It's usually not always like this.